Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so today we have more spoilers for the Ipsy GlamBag Plus for the June box. Now there are two more added spoilers that are made by Tetris and Ipsy. Now one of them kind of looks like it has some violets and a blue shimmer in it, which is absolutely gorgeous. The other one it's a green palette with neutrals. It's got that pukey yellow. I love that color for some reason. It's just a beautiful palette. I love the dark blue in it. I love that olive shimmer. Absolutely gorgeous. But there are two new spoilers. And if you missed the last ones, of course, you know there is going to be Generation Clay, the Ultra Violet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Also, Ciate London, the Liquid Velvet Moisturizing Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pin Up. Also, Pure, the Big Look Mascara. And then you know the 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. That was valued at $180. I couldn't believe it. And I keep saying it. And next is the Jolie Cosmetics Luxe Cream Matte Trio. Now there is 3 of them. You will be getting shade Skuro, Lila, and also Amore. And then last is Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. So when they reveal more, guys, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. Doesn't really matter as long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos. And one more tiny favor before you guys go. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.